Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Leah, and I'm a JunkerNecker. So what is a JunkerNecker? Someone who sees potential decor in what others may consider trash. Whether that's roadside treasures, something that someone has tossed out, thrifted items, or something that would otherwise go into the recycle bin. Today I'm doing a Christmas cocoa bar challenge collab with some of these items. Your hosts for this collab are Tina, the Bargain Huntress, and Tennessee Kim. I'll leave links to their channels in the descriptions.
Here is my Christmas beverage bar for 2019. And I'm going to start with the cocoa station because this is a cocoa bar collab. This is my tiered tray that I made with Dollar Tree items. And I just set it in this basket with some gingham trim. On top of my marshmallow container, I have a little red matchbox truck. And he's gone to the tree farm, picked up a tree, and little snowman's helping him. That is glued onto a lid, a mason jar lid, so I can remove it when I need to get marshmallows out. Another topping we have is sprinkles. Fun sprinkles. And there's a little Dollar Tree snowman on top of that. They came 2 in a pack. And the jingle bells were from Dollar Tree, 9 in a pack. In the back you'll see my soft peppermints to dissolve into the cocoa. And a styrofoam ball to look like a snowball. I don't think it needs any more glitter. I think it's pretty sparkly and pretty just the way it is. Here I've got my Splenda and instant coffee should my coffee pot ever run dry, which rarely happens. In the back there, some miniature chocolate chips. Okay, up to the top tier. The spices I have on here are nutmeg, cinnamon, and pumpkin spice. Got a couple of these little silver cups, more snowballs, styrofoam balls, some little gold and silver light shaped bubbles, and look at this little snowman having fun in that cup. He must be in a hot chocolate hot tub. Alright, we'll come on over here. This tall tin snowman, he came from Dollar General, and he's holding my cocoa mix. I have some hard candies in this dish. And there's my coffee filters hiding out in there. I'm going to go on over to here and show you my coffee sugar cream. The only thing I did to those canisters would add some red ribbon and some furry stars that look snowy. Here's my dirty coffee pot. And a cup I made that says, "'Tis the season for hot chocolate." This is a little vintage glass I picked up at a thrift store for 10 cents, and it's holding some straws. And behind there are some great bars to grab and go. They go great with cocoa or coffee. Now back up to here. This is a trash to treasure project made from a piece of a broken cutting board. Hot coffee and cocoa served daily. Now up on this shelf, I made this tray from a Goodwill find I bought for 50 cents. Dasher & Co., sleigh rides, warm blankets, and hot cocoa. Sitting on top of this little cup is my Christmas ornament from my sister this year. We exchange ornaments every year and have so for 30-something years. That's my Roll Tide bear. Those little creatures were some leftovers from my Matchbox truck project. I love using these kind of tumblers, and I will use these very often throughout the season. So they're out and about, easy to get to. There's Snowman's hat from the Dollar Tree and a pine cone from the backyard. There's some little red and green Christmas baubles there. And this Santa mug came from a thrift store, and I only paid 13 cents for him. I made these hanging white mugs. There's one that says cheer, so you can have a cup of cheer. I have Mrs. Claus, and I have Santa Claus. And in the back there, I've just used some greenery off of an old wreath that I've cut apart and added in some ribbons to look like peppermint candies. And on the very top is my Trash to Treasure project that I made a while back with some roadside finds. The best I can tell, these are old windows out of a French door, and I used my Cricut to decorate those. Sleigh bells ring on the front, Santa and his reindeer on the back. Then I added some holly leaves on the top and some snowflakes from Dollar Tree on both the top, both the front and back. Lots of dimension. So there we go. That's what I've done with my beverage bar for Christmas, and I hope you like it. I can't wait to see what everyone's done with theirs. I hope you'll join the collab if you haven't already. There's still plenty of time to get your videos in. There's no deadline on this. And there you go. That's it. Please check out the playlist. I'm going to leave it in the description, the link to that. And check out Kim and Tina's channels. I'm leaving their links also.